Hello, my favorite use of Classroom Salon is using videos with the students. We know that the students love to watch videos. So if you can find something on the web or you make your own video, upload it, and then get the students to interact with it, it's going to be great. So here's what I do with videos. So I go to Add Media, try to add a video to my salon, and then I would go to either YouTube or Vimeo and then find a video that I like to use with my students, copy it, and then we'll take it back to Salon and plug it into this field and click here, and it'll bring all the annotations, all the things from the YouTube, and then I will create it and I will put that into a Salon. So let's do that. And then once you put it into a Salon, and you can see the video comes immediately, and then students can start to comment in this salon. Now you can also add metadata to track what the students are doing. For example, you can go to the video manager and click on that and then start to set certain things. You can change your title, or you can even take the video link and put this on a website. You can set the discussion schedules. One of my favorites is to use tags. For example, I would use a very creative tag like, when students annotate videos, they may say using a tag, I like to see more of this. So that's a tag. So that's an indication that the students want you to discuss things. Or they may say, I did not understand this part. So that's another tag. That's one of my favorite tags. Or you can say, I find this interesting. I find this interesting. If they don't want to use any tags, they can just call it general or untag or something. So the key idea here is that the students can use these tags to indicate to you how they use the video. So for example, if I go back to the video here using this link, like I said, you can insert that link into a course management system. And when the students are watching the video, at some point, if they want to make a comment, so when they make a comment, they may say, well, I find this interesting. And then they'll make a comment
different
there.
varieties.
Or they go to another location and try to make another comment. And then, so they can make their own tag if they like. Please discuss this. So they'll post another comment.
So
you will be able to find all these tags that are really, really important. Or they can type in a comment and make that comment anonymous, and that means the other students will find this anonymous, but you will see the identification of the students, which is really important. But the students can freely post
here a bit.
So you can see that the anonymous thing is because I am the owner of this thing, I'll be able to see this thing here. Now, one other thing that's really important is that students can actually see your comments or your the instructor's comments or anything like that. There are lots of interesting things you can do. You can bookmark a comment, you can vote on a comment, you can even go and see the analytics for a comment. So this shows you how the students have done so far, how the tags have been used, and then you know that using that information, you'll be able to drive your class. And so there are lots of interesting things that one can do. And the title here, which they type or they choose from yours, is really important. Like, for example, if I want to just focus on the one comment at a time, I can click here, and that gives you the location. So here's the location, so I can just jump to that location. And then I go to the next thread, and I can just jump to that location. Or I can go to the next thread, and I can just jump to the location. So this way you can go through all these comments and the context really, really easy. So this is one of my favorite ways to get started with Classroom Salon, because first of all, it's really easy to find a video, your videos or YouTube videos or Vimeo videos, and then kind of design a an exercise that the students can do. I hope that you will find this interesting.